Attention golfers! Spacious, custom home first time on the market. 11th green of Golf Amic. Designed for entertaining. Split floor plan, open concept, views down the greens from most rooms. Energy efficient Anderson sliding doors, look like French doors, and windows. Large master bedroom, custom master bath with double vanities, large walk-in shower and garden tub, 12 by 8 walk-in closet with custom organizer. Living room is 35 by 19 with gas fireplace and cathedral ceilings. Living room opens to screen 40 by 13 porch with outdoor kitchen and a bar. Open concept kitchen island bar opens to living area, appliances include in-wall oven and microwave, side-by-side fridge, built-in blending center. Large walk-in pantry. Full house generator. See docs for more features. Faces preserve land across the street, good wildlife viewing.